There's work that needs to be done, and some workplaces are just rougher than others. Conditions can be challenging, so we made it simple. You do the heavy work, we make it feel easy. With the all-new Optrel Helix, a helmet made for everyone who doesn't like to compromise. Full protection and full versatility in its lightest form. With our innovative slide-up technology, you can adjust to the realities of your job within seconds. The Helix remains incomparably light and perfectly balanced, eliminating the pain-causing effects of ordinary flip-up helmets. No more tunnel view due to our nose cutout technology. Have everything in sight while working, with a field of view 6 times larger compared to other products. All that makes the Helix the perfect companion for welding, grinding, and cutting in heavy steel construction. For all who know what real heat feels like and still want to keep a cool head, even after hours of work. Fully compatible with Swiss Air, the best solution for clean, fresh air without any compromise in terms of mobility and communication. So you can focus on your work and let us take care of the rest. The Optrel Helix. Hard work never felt so easy.